Hey guys, it's Samantha Lewis with Coastal Life Properties. I'm here today at my newest listing, 411 4th Street, Merritt Island, Florida. I can't wait to show you around. Come on, let's check it out. This meticulously renovated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is sure to please. From the roof to the floors and everything in between, this home has been completely updated. Step into the open concept kitchen, complete with quartz countertops and a slide-in range. Vaulted ceilings in the family room provide an open, airy space to gather with friends and family. French doors lead to a large, fully fenced backyard and a patio where you can sit back and relax. And don't forget those Space Coast rocket launches. There isn't a thing left to do other than pack your bags and boxes and move right in. Thanks so much for touring my new listing. If you're ready for a personal showing, I'd be happy to take you around. Give me a call at 321-474-4416.